I put these new upper control arms that I had for this truck that came with a 4-inch rough country lift kit with this one. The only thing about rough country lift kits is they make the back like an inch or two lower than the front, than the actual lift kit that you're buying. So it ends up being a bit lower at the back and not as high as what you kind of ordered. So it sits leveled, which you may not want or you may want. Anyways, these control arms, I'm leaving them off of this truck. Gonna leave the stock ones on here and leave it how it is. A bit more on an angle. This one here, wanted the ride smoother, and I got these bigger wheels on it, so it's better to have something that's new. So I took these ones off. There's a nut on this side and a nut on this side, and this side doesn't really turn, but you can put a adjustable wrench on here and take these off. Mark your plates where they are, both sides. That adjusts your camber by moving this bolt here, and this bolt will pop out. And there's a little pin here and a slot. It slides up and down on both sides. If it's loose or not coming loose, then you can put a impact gun on this side and slowly turn it back and forth to break it free. Then pop that off. This is all being done while the truck, the tires are a couple inches off the ground. And there's another nut down here you can take off, and your brake line hose here. I took the bracket off, just cut it off with a grinder and zip tied it here securely with two, and ABS sensor on this side here. And then I had to make these go lower to adjust the camber so it's more positive than negative. And then redid the alignment in the driveway here. And I lowered the torsion bars down a bit because it does raise it up a few inches. So by lowering it, I'm making the ride even smoother, and everything is a lot tighter in the steering as well, because these upper ball joints were probably worn out. So overall, the ride is a lot smoother. Steering, going over bumps, everything, it's a lot better. The angles that are set up on the upper control arms. So if you have your truck leveled at all, that is a great thing to have and invest in. And it's very good when you're driving in a town with very bumpy roads, or you have larger tires, or just a stock truck and you want to increase the comfort and stability of it even more.